Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group, and we are back for another walkthrough Wednesday. I am so excited because I am here with Chad with David Weekley Homes, and Chad is going to be walking us through a quick move-in home that they have here in Coral Ridge. So Chad, please tell the viewers where we're at today.
Definitely. So, Alexis, always good to see you. We are here in Coral Ridge. This is one of our final opportunities. We have less than 10 opportunities here in Coral Ridge.
Wow.
And behind us is a beautiful dawn. I mean, just walking up to this house, the curb appeal truly is special. Alexis, imagine every single day pulling into your driveway and going, I live here.
I'm obsessed with this house. I can't wait for us to walk through the front of it because it's very versatile. There's so many different things that I haven't seen before, especially doing one of these walkthroughs. So I'm excited for you to show us.
And of course, this is a single story. It's a very popular floor plan due to the functionality. It flows so well, as y'all will see. 4 bedrooms. It's about 4,100 square feet.
Wow.
So right now we're walking through the courtyard. People have gotten very creative with what they can do in here. You could do an herb garden, a little sitting area, maybe if you want some potted plants.
Yeah.
Definitely a lot of options.
Absolutely.
If you did want to kind of get that evening sun, that way is facing west. So, you know, if you just to have maybe, you know, a glass of wine out here. But
It gives a lot of extra privacy into the front of the home.
It does.
Yeah.
It does.
Absolutely. Oh, I'm excited for you guys to see this.
All right. So as you come in, you can see just, it's so grand. You have this nice, big, tall ceiling. And even on a gloomy day, Alexis, it's still bright.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Tons of windows and just so much natural light coming in. And this kitchen. Oh, my
Incredible. Just absolutely incredible. And I love how our designers do such a good job kind of bringing in this contemporary, but also traditional. Like, this feels like home.
Oh,
It's
my
comfortable.
gosh, it does.
But it's also, I mean, luxurious. It's fantastic.
Definitely high end. And there's no lack of storage, as you can see here in this video of the kitchen, but you can also see this as we're going through the house in general. But I was joking, like there's so much cabinetry, like you can literally store everything you could ever imagine in here. And I love that you did the glass paneling up top for that storage. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
And of course, over here we have an open butler's pantry, which we did put a sink in here.
Love that.
Not quite a scullery yet, because to be a scullery, we would need a oven or stove. But of course, we're going to put a wine cooler in there. So it's just great. You know, as you're entertaining, maybe you have to, you know, go chop some vegetables or something. You can do it back there out of, you know, plain sight.
Love this big island too.
All right, so this is what we call a family foyer, or in the South, a mud room. So right over here, this is kind of cool. I like to think this is a great area for a standing desk. So maybe you put your computer up there, you can kind of pay bills, you know, keep track of receipts, whatever you kind of need to do there.
That's a great idea. You could even put, if you really, if you had a dog, you could put a kennel there.
Definitely.
Or some, even for a dog, like whatever you store your dog's play things in, you can put that in a basket. Love that. Beautiful. And then there was some storage as soon as we walked into, which when we head back that way, you'll see that.
So as we walk into the left, a couple uses for this space. And it can change as your family grows and the needs of your family change. So a study is a great option for it. Some folks who do like a formal dining room have made this beautiful formal dining room.
It's a great idea.
I mean, it feels like your private dining at Capitol Grill.
Yeah. It's quite a large room, but you're right, it's very versatile.
It is.
And I love the built-ins too.
And what a great Zoom background.
Yeah, I was going to say, the views here are impeccable.
All right, so over here, we are moving into our cabana. And of course, in Florida, we don't have basements. So this is a great rec room. You can put a pool table, ping pong table, bean bags. You can make it a playroom, media room, pool room. Lot of various uses for this nice, bright space.
Yeah, gosh, wow. I love the built-ins that you guys did over here. And of course with the fridge, perfect for your wine, your beer, all juices too. You know,
absolutely.
water.
And
all the things.
No, you know, every detail is just spectacular. So of course we do GE cafe,
Yep.
appliances, and just for a
Beautiful.
mini fridge.
Yeah.
Like the thought behind that, there's just so much thought, so much intentionality. Of course, a David Weekley here. All right,
Absolutely.
so moving out to the backyard, really great space back here. Of course, we have some preserve over here. We're gonna put in some beautiful privacy landscaping, so a green fence to really make this a nice, lush, tropical paradise. You could easily put a pool back here.
Oh, yeah.
You can kind of see over here, we have a neighbor that has a pool, similar backyard. So yeah, you could really do a lot back here.
Totally. Well, and that's one great thing about Coral Ridge is you guys just have very large lots.
Yes.
Which is awesome.
Absolutely. So this is on an 80-foot lot, giving you a nice big slice of Nocatee heaven.
Absolutely. And this is really your last opportunity outside of River Landing, which are custom estate homes, to be building in a neighborhood like this with David Weekley. Love that view. And the beams. We haven't talked about the beams.
Yes.
I love the beams. You'll see some more of those. So I'm going to be very happy about this. They're beautiful. They add so much character to this home.
Character, depth, cohesion. And I think that's a lot of where that warmth that I was speaking about earlier comes from.
Absolutely.
All right, so now we are making our way into the owner's suite. And when I say owner's suite, this is a suite.
It is.
This is not a simple owner's bedroom.
Agreed.
So, of course, we have a beautiful seating area right here. So you can do a couch, a TV. Over here, if you want coffee, tea, a nightcap, whatever floats your boat.
I love it. It feels like a suite.
It really does. And it's nice because first of all, it's better for your sleep.
Absolutely.
To not be watching TV, kind of having it out here and then going to bed. So, there's that aspect of it. And it adds this level of peace and tranquility and really creating a physical division of those spaces.
Absolutely. Love the big, bright and light windows. It's a huge space too.
Absolutely. Wait till y'all see this bathroom.
I love it. Also, all of the underlighting that you guys have done in a lot of the cabinetry is beautiful.
It makes it.
Oh my
It just
goodness.
totally steps it up a notch. And, you walk in,
Yep.
oh, wow, this is nice.
I love that the beams were carried on. I absolutely love the feature that you guys did for the shower wall. I think it's stunning. I mean, this bathroom is just incredible.
Absolutely.
Oh, and you got 2 closets, which is great. Kind of like a his and hers, almost linen closet.
It's a really nice walk-in shower.
Beautiful. Love the shelf there too. So beautiful. Pulling in that beam. I mean, my gosh.
All right. And of course, here we are in the closet. Looks like a department store. Everything is thought of. When you have an island in your closet, and even just the little details right here.
I love it.
A hat rack. You have tie racks. Just
Perfect.
so thoughtful.
Yeah.
I mean, it's the features of a true custom home
Absolutely.
with the convenience and the quality of David Weekley.
Yeah.
All right, now this is just genius. The intentionality behind it, a laundry room right next to your owner's closet.
Perfect.
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
Only a few steps away that you really have to get your clothes into that washer.
A few steps away, absolutely.
Okay. Off to the secondary bedrooms.
Yes. So it's nice because you do have this division of the bedrooms. So all of the bedrooms are on one side.
That is nice.
So a bedroom. So this is the bedroom with the ensuite.
Great size bedrooms.
Great size bedroom, good size spot, and even in a guest bedroom, look at that shower.
I know, it's huge. Actually, I thought the bathroom in general was. And again, the designer finishes in here are just amazing. That will be fixed before you move in.
Yeah, we'll get that turned off for you.
Don't worry.
And just in so much closet space too.
Yes.
Obviously we're not going to go through and open every closet, but there's just everything is thought
There
of.
really is. There's a closet every nook. I love it.
A little homework area right here, so that way if you have kids, you can kind of just keep them in there.
And I like that it's kind of tucked away into the house to where if they needed a quieter space, that would be a great place to do it.
Definitely. If you do work from home, this is, you know, of course it's a bedroom, but it does work wonderfully as a home office as well.
Yeah, this room is so charming. I even asked Chad, I was like, this is such a versatile space. Again, with the beams, like I said earlier, we're going to be a consistent thing that you would see in here, but great sized bedroom. And like you said, it could be I mean, the study, you could also use it as a bedroom. There's so many different options.
That's
here.
why so many people love this floor plan, Alexis, is because it can change with your life. It
Absolutely.
doesn't really matter what your family needs are. With this Dawn, you really can find a purpose for everything.
Absolutely. I completely agree with that. Love the Jack and Jill bathroom. I said bedroom. Obviously, it's a bathroom.
Now, Carly, if we can look in here, so some people wonder, why is there no door on the closet? So actually intentional. And of course, these are all things, you know, we can tweak and adjust. But for the purpose of this, if you were to keep it as a home office, perfect. You have your printer, your files, your folders, whatever you need to run your business.
Absolutely. That is great. I didn't even notice that, to be honest with you. So that's a great thing.
All right. So another bedroom. And of course, this is conjoined via Jack and Jill. And notice, definitely. And in all these bedrooms, solid floors.
Ah, yes. Nice. Yeah, I love that you carried that through all the way. No carpet.
This, I mean, it truly is dripping in options, in upgrades and features.
Well, let's head back out to the kitchen area so we can take a look at that. And again, we are in Coral Ridge. This is one of their last 10 opportunities, right?
Yeah. So we are down to less than 10 opportunities, and
only David Weekley remains here in this neighborhood. So we're going to do this as the background because, I mean, obviously we have to end here. So, Chad, I would love for you to remind the viewers where we are at today, how they can get in contact with you about this stunning home. So I'll let you take it away.
Absolutely. So, of course, we are here in Coral Ridge at Nocatee. Stop by our model at 85 Sable Creek Trail here in Ponte, Vedra. And we are so excited to see you. And my partner, Adrian, and I are very excited to serve you.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Chad. This home is definitely not going to last long, so you definitely want to come out here and speak with Chad with David Weekley. But other than that, we hope you're having a great day. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.